Welcome to Beat.io. You're probably wondering what this tool is all about. Basically, it's a video editor with various features like auto subtitles, image insertion, dubbing, text to video, AI clips, avatars, and recording. So yeah, that's what this tool does. Of course, it has many more features, as we can see here. Today, we'll be exploring this video editor to see how it works. How do we create an account? Well, basically, we can request a demo here, okay? But let's click sign up, then continue with Google. And just like that, we're now inside the editor and we can start editing and all that. Right? Let's upload a video in Beat.io. Just click the search button here and hit upload new file, okay? Or in this media section as we're looking at, we can even record it, right? In the record section. So let's go to the media section. We have all the options here, and what we'll do is click on upload a file. We'll upload this file, for example, and there we'd have the video. Got it? How can we cut and manipulate a video and its audio? Well, in bit.io we can open this drop down. Here I only have this video that we cut using the S tool. Pressing S deletes the selected section. You can also hit delete and so on. To manipulate videos, we can cut them like this and join them easily. For audio, right click audio to see more settings. In the timeline, we can select, replace, copy and paste sections, or use detach audio to isolate the audio track. As you see, these two audio tracks are muted for some reason. I've decided it's best to mute the video, so let's set this to 100% volume. Right now, these two files are muted. If I hit play, you won't hear anything. You can select this audio and set it to 100% and make it audible. There it is. Now you hear this audio. If I go here where there's sound and mute this one, you won't hear anything. So that's how you can easily use the timeline. How do you resize a project? In other words, how do you change its size? Let's say we have our project in landscape and want it in portrait, for example. So for instance, we want it for YouTube, right? For YouTube shorts. Well, we can select YouTube shorts, okay? And as you can see, they also show us the overlay, right? The overlay won't be exported. It's just to preview how our video will look with YouTube's overlay, okay? So if I remove the video now, you see the overlay? That's what they're showing us, right? This is all done in settings, and we have options for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even a tool to do this, okay? We can fit and center, change this color, or fill and crop, and that's it, okay? So that's how you can change your file size. Below, you'll see frames per second. Set it to 60, and that's all. How can we dub our video? Well, this video is currently in Spanish. Let's go to settings and scroll down to translate voice. This is in the audio section. I'm not sure why it's not under audio, but I bet it will be in the future. We just click here. Here they'll ask where our Spanish is from. We select Spanish and choose the region. I'll select Spanish from Spain, and we're translating to English, right? Here we can choose the voice, okay? In custom, we can select the standard quality. HD and 4K options are paid features. So just click here and hit duplicate. It says I can only try it once. I have it here, okay? If I hit play, welcome to bit.io. You're probably curious about this tool. Well, it's done a pretty good job. Okay, it's done pretty well. Honestly, I'm surprised. I'm not sure what the minimum plan is. Let's see. It's the pro plan, the minimum. $26 a month, right? Or else $53 a month. Better to get the annual plan? No? That's quite a price difference. $53 a month. Euros seems crazy. There are more features, sure. For a video editor, 53 euros monthly is steep. They've really gone overboard. So yeah, that's the tool. How to clone your voice on Beat.io. Basically, we'd go to the media section or search for clone. Okay, the voice option isn't showing up. Let's check the media section. It's called voice clone. It's new, so it might not appear now. Hit get started, allow access, and read the instructions. Click continue once you've recorded. I've already done mine, by the way. That's how you'll get a clone of your voice. Content verified, voice created. My voice is saved here. I can delete it anytime. As you see, they'll delete it eventually from their database. Here we'd input the text, hit generate. All this is with the pro version. It'll create the audio clip. Ah, there it is. Welcome to Beat.io. Well, it did a pretty good job. That's how easy it is to clone your voice. Let's check out VEED.io (S text to speech). Basically, we'll go to the audio section and this tool here called text to speech. We'll select it, and you can see we pick the language, in this case English, and let's type, for example. Okay, now we're going to choose the voice. Hello, have a good day, world. As you can see, it reads it automatically. Hello, have a good day, world. Alright, so we click here, hit generate. It's generated and placed where our cursor is. So we have it here. That was quick. Hello, have a good day, world. Let's add automatic subtitles with Beat. So basically, we'll go to the subtitles section. As you can see, we have this auto option in English. Because I have English selected. Let's choose the right language. We'll select Spanish from Spain, okay? We can translate it, right? We can have the text translated, and if different people are speaking, it can show that too, okay? So we'll set auto subtitles in Spanish. I'll let you know if it does a good job, all right? As you can see, it's generating the subtitles. Here they are. I'll press play. This tool is basically a video editor with features like auto subtitles, adding images, dubbing, and text to video conversion. It does a pretty good job, right? Now we can simply change the style, okay? Or the subtitle type we've set. As you can see, there are different options. I assume there's a way to customize it, right? No, it doesn't look like the edit option lets us correct subtitles if something's wrong, but we can't seem to customize any style, huh? So these are the only options. It's that simple. How can we add text in bit.io? Well, basically in the text section here we can simply add text. As you see, we can move it like an object, we can make it larger, choose any font type we want, and also any font color we prefer. Then we can edit the text. I put text and you can change it to world, and as you see we can pick different predefined styles which we can modify if we don't like them. And that's it. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in future videos. How do you add elements in beat.io? Well, basically we go to the elements section. As you can see here, we can add lots of default elements like various stickers and such. Okay, you just grab it, drag it. Welcome to beat.io. There's your sticker. You've got tons of settings like rotation, opacity, and more, plus entry animations for the object, okay? Also, if we go to the media section, we can upload our own files and layer them. We can put one video on top of another, obviously. Right now, for example, we'd be playing 2 videos at once. We can also do this with any non-video file like an image. If we want custom stuff, just go to media, upload file, and done. I think dragging it directly works too, if you drag it directly, so that's it. How can we add transitions in Biteable? Well, to move from one video to another, right? For that, we'll go to the transitions section, for example. Let's pick one that's really noticeable, okay? This push to the left one, got it? Select and drag it where you want, hit play and see the transition, right? So that's it. To make transitions, you need 2 videos, okay? Just drag the transition and it's that simple. How can we add filters? Well, we go to the filters section. As you can see, there are different types of filters, but they're not fully customizable, okay? Well, filters and effects, right? Let's add this one, for example. Double click to add it. Each click intensifies it. See that? Select it and adjust the intensity. You can do this for each video, okay? It seems you can only apply 1 filter per video. Can't add multiple or drag them. It's a bit clunky, but that's how it works, okay? Now, let's look at the effects section. What's this about? Okay, these are color filters and motion effects that apply as the video plays. That's how you add filters. How can we use Vivio's recording tool? Well, let's go to the record section where we can capture various things. We can record our screen. It'll ask for access. Click share and it'll say, great, your full screen looks good. We can also add a camera, microphone, or slides for presentation. All this is available through the record feature. We choose to record camera, audio, screen with camera, or a presentation. It's designed so you can do everything in Vivio without needing software like OBS for recording. So that's how you can record with Vivio. How can we remove the background from a video? Well, basically we have this video here, okay? We're going to select it, and as you can see, we have these 2 remove background options, right? There are 2 people here, see? The samples they give us usually have 1 person. Let's see how it does. And there we have it, okay? It's done pretty well with the main girl, right? The second girl might not be perfect. Let's play it so you can see. The first girl looks great, but the one not facing the camera isn't fully adjusted. So that's how it's done. How do you remove a green screen with video? Well, basically we select a video, and I'm going to choose this one. Let's go with this. We click on green screen, and as you can see, green is the default. I'll try to select another color like this. I don't know, some distinctive color. Maybe this white. And as you can see here, oddly, it's brown instead of white. Well, this video isn't ideal because it doesn't have a green screen. Let's take this one, for example. So we select this color, and here we adjust the sensitivity of how much color we want to remove the color we've selected. Now you can see it there. Truth is, it's not working perfectly. Okay, it's not. Well, that's it. It doesn't work 100%. But anyway, that's how you can remove the green screen for now. How can we make people like this girl in the video look at the camera in VEED? Simply select the video, go to the eye contact feature, and it'll make the girl constantly look at us. Let's see the result. This is what we get. It's captured her eyes well, and now she's constantly looking at the camera. It's a bit odd since she's talking but looking at us, but that's how it works. How can we remove silences with Deep.io? Well, basically we have this video, for example, okay? As you can see, the soundtrack has different sections with silences. To remove these silences, we select the video, alright? Or the actual audio we want to edit. If we click remove silence here, it's instant. I just pressed it and boom, removed instantly, see? So that's how the cuts are made. It does them quite well, don't you think? So yeah. You can remove onomatopoeias with beat.io, like I just did. Basically, we select this video here, then click on Magic Cut, which removes the ums, ahs, and bad takes. We click here and continue. It asks for English audio, clear speech separate from music, and clips between 10 seconds and 55 minutes. I'll click continue. I know it won't work well as it's not in English, but this is the tool we use. As you can see, it's in beta mode, which means it hasn't detected my speech due to language, but it's in beta. I'm sure they'll improve it soon. How can we remove background noise with beat.io? Well, basically we go to the section, we select the video we want to remove background noise from and go to the clean audio section, select it, and basically what this tool will do is remove the noise from our video, okay? As you can see, it says it'll only take a moment and it'll simply find the noises and apply the fix. I'm going to hit play to see how it sounds. Avatar SI recorder. I'll remove it. Well, no, recorders keeps AI avatar SI. Well, considering it raised the volume a lot, it has many more features, okay? As we're seeing here, I'd say it removed the noise, okay? I must say my mic records well, and OBS has denoise, okay? Here on the mic, I already have noise suppression, and maybe it's not too noticeable, but I'm sure it works well, because if it didn't ruin good audio, I assume it'll improve the bad one. How can we add an AI avatar using VTO? Well, basically we go to the set section, okay? Or in the media section, as you can see, it shows us there are avatars, right? So we search for avatar, select it, and as you can see, we get lots of images. Here's an example of one speaking. I'm going to try adding any avatar. There are people of all ages and types. I'll try to choose a normal looking one. As you can see, here we specify the language Spanish, for example. And here we need to input the script. It won't work directly with audio. We have to tell it what to say, right? I'll hit generate video and let's see what it does. It's the girl. Well, the avatar, I mean. So, this is the result, okay? Let's play it. Hello, good afternoon, followers. Well, it's done it more or less, okay? So, as you can see, we can change the format in which we see the girl and so on. It looks great here, eh? In short. And we can change the frame. Let's add more frames. See? Hello, good afternoon, followers, okay? And that's how we can do it. So how can we create our own avatar? Well, basically, in bit.io, I'll delete this. We can go to media, get your own avatar, select it, and as you see here, they let us, here it says, tired of recording? Get your personal avatar and make realistic videos of yourself. We can clone our face and voice, okay? Basically, we record with our webcam and in 6 hours we'll have the avatar, okay? To do this, as you see, it's an exclusive beta, so we click upgrade, okay? I'm not sure which plan. Ah, it's the pro plan. I'll check the data quickly. I looked at their database to see if they'd use your info and voice for others' avatars. With so many avatars here, maybe they use your likeness as is, you know, which I doubt. Basically, they don't specify if an avatar or voice we create will be used publicly for others or just for you, but the policy mentions using personal data to improve their products, including AI model training, okay? So they'll use our input to train their models. They can use our identity to suggest services we might like to sell us stuff. They can use free users' data to improve their apps and products. This includes AI model training and developing new or improved algorithms. If you pay for a subscription, they won't do this, okay? So don't worry, your avatar won't show up on their website, alright? And that's how you can create an avatar, got it? So, how can we export a video with beat.io? Basically, when we're done with our amazing video, we'll click on done, okay? And as you saw from here, we can click export, right? We select the quality and other settings, okay? We choose different resolutions, frame rate, all right? Resolution, quality, compression, and then we can hit export, got it? To remove the watermark, we'll need the premium version, okay? The watermark is this beat logo in the top right, and that's about it. How do you create a video with text to video in Video.io? Well, in our lobby, we have this AI text to video section. We simply select it and enter our topic. Let's choose business. We should describe what we want the video to be about. Business might be too broad a topic. I'll select other and tell it to make actually social media. I'll ask for a history. It suggests the history of Rome, the history of the Greeks. I'll click generate video and see what happens. It asks for custom settings like portrait and avatar selection. If we want an avatar, let's try this one. It'll be fully AI generated. Let's remove the avatar, I think. We'll go with just text. Now let's continue. This is the script for the history of the Greeks. Let's set the audio and choose an inspirational tone of voice. Let's click continue. It's preparing the script. Watch what it'll do now. Well, here's the result. Look, it's done quite a lot. Text-to-speech, music, subtitles, and various clips added. Let's watch the video. Greek history fascinates millennials. From Athens and Sparta to battles with Persians, democracy thrived. There's a voice issue. I chose English, but text is Spanish. Yes, I'm very clever. Greeks left a lasting mark. Greek myths explain humanity. Homer's works, adventures. Why ignore their architecture? Majestic temples like Greek culture's influence. I think it's not too bad. Not bad at all, actually. I used the same stock, but it turned out well. Wow, best tool I've seen. No joke. We messed up, but there's potential. It's a great starting point, so that's the tool. Alright, how can we create clips with VEED, okay? With a relatively long video. Basically, we click here on Create Clips in the dashboard section. We go to AI Edit and click Create Clip. And basically from here, we can input a YouTube link or, okay, we can do this. I'll put a YouTube link and click Get Clips. I'll specify language, clip format, and portrait or not. Now, I don't know why there's a girl. What kind of subtitles do I want? Well, okay, highlight. Oh, what type of videos do I want? The best moments or just viral ones? I'll choose the best moments and make clips last at most 15 seconds. I'll hit continue and see what it does. And here we have the result. It lets me edit it. Let's see what it selected. I say this as some claim it's the end of YouTubers. It might be, but there's still a big push needed. Right now, I think it's a useless tool. Well, not bad, eh? I don't think it's a bad clip. Let's check out this other one. Maybe this will end up being the final tool, okay? Where we have, for example, stream real time. It lets us analyze our screen in real time, but only briefly, since this needs a ton of computing power, right? Plus, they let us try various new tools. Not bad, huh? Not bad at all. I don't dislike the clips it made, Oh, it can load more. Hey. These aren't bad clips, Not bad clips at all. Watch out. Well, anyway. Great tool. I'm impressed, Some are clips I could have made, And I'm not kidding. Wow. I'm blown away. Alright, let's check out the payment plans, okay? You'll find the link to the tool in the description. We've seen everything it offers today, right? 2025 from 8. I'm going to be blunt, okay? As you can see, I'm a video editor. I've worked as a video editor. I've used Filmora, CapCut, Adobe, tons of tools, I've tried many video editing tools, and I must say, it's really impressed me, alright? If you're a video editor, a tool like this is essential. A tool with these features is indispensable, okay? For social media videos, this is your go-to tool, period. Wow, I'm really surprised. As I explored, I kept finding more and more features. So let's talk about the prices, shall we? Because truth is, these prices aren't exactly fun, right? If you go for the annual plan, it's $10 or euros a month, okay? That's 120 euros. Or there's $26 monthly, which is more serious, about $300 yearly, got it? Now, considering there is no lifetime version, which is a shame but understandable, let's draw a conclusion. I'll go for the monthly plan, 53 euros, which is quite a bit. It's worth it for all AI tools and unlimited dubbing in 50 plus languages, right? No limitation. Mind you, we've glossed over this, but it's important. Some tools, if you start dubbing videos, you'll burn through $50 real quick, okay? Well, it lets you export in 4K HD and full stock audio for free. You can find this online. Subtitles, right? Auto subtitles, since CapCuts are paid, aren't they? True, they're not customizable, okay? But they're still pretty good. There's a stock media section, a brand section. It's good. Many editors have this. AI avatars for 20 mines a month. I don't like the limit. It's not my main interest. Up to 3 editors. Oh, so with this plan, I can have 3 people using it. Oh no. Build per editor. I see. So each editor will be charged separately. This includes light features, no watermark, auto subtitles, 12 hours a month. I don't like the 12-hour limit. I'd prefer unlimited. Making 12 hours of subtitles a month. Wow, that's a lot of shorts, champ. Full HD, some stock audio, auto resize for social media. Oh, and access to all the AI tools, right? All these tools here are the ones that are really cool. Okay, so is it worth it? Well, I think so, Yeah, I think so. If you edit videos or can make money, it's great for mass content creation. If not, it could still be a good investment. It's good if used right, like all investments, right? I recommend it, I really do. Are there versions, cheaper options? Yeah, there are cheaper individual tools, but I've never seen one with everything centralized. Yes, there are tools that, well, not many though. I know one cheaper one I use, dubs to 50 languages for 10 euros a month. Yeah, it exists. I'll tell you, if you get the annual plan, it's only $26. There are tools for subtitles, but they're limited. Some tools offer unlimited AI avatars. There are tools to clip long videos, which is pretty cool, right? Text-to-video tools exist too. I haven't seen a text-to-video tool as good as this one. Really, I haven't, okay?
I'm saying this up front, but if you add up everything, all these tools in one place for €53 a month is a steal. So just keep that in mind. You'll find it in the description. If you're interested, go for it. If not, try the free plan.